To create a room using one-point perspective, you need to know a few basic things. This is the horizontal line that marks the horizon as well as the viewer's eye level. Vanishing point is the dot on the horizon line where all the parallel lines appear to meet. Orthogonal lines, which are often imaginary, connect the vanishing point to other points in your drawing. Transversal lines established a fixed height or width between two orthogonal lines. This is the layout plan of 9 feet by 6 feet bathroom that we will make. One-point perspective is a drawing method that shows how things appear to get smaller as they get further away. It is a way of drawing objects upon a flat piece of paper so that they look three-dimensional and realistic. It is a popular drawing method with architects and illustrators, especially when drawing room interiors. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe Design by Misha.